David D'Souza's judgment. In David D'Souza's, my lord, the words that were uttered, go and hang yourself. In this case, go and die. Aste, nenilla. By facts, my lord, it is a tailor-made, my lord, case to be applied to my lord, to be traced to David D'Souza.
What were the facts?
Kindly, my lord, see the facts. Only so much, my lord. All that ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಜೊತೆಲಿದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು ಮದುವೆನ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು 2 ಸಲ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ದ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 17 ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್
Page 27.
yes ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಕೇಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ admitted what is also admitted is both went for registering the marriage. They were living together, ceremoniously married, everything my lord is admitted.
Ceremoniously married?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Statutory marriage was to be registered for the purpose of them, my lord, traveling abroad. 2 times they went. For some reasons, the registration did not take place. For that, there was, my lord, this my lord, altercation between husband and my wife cannot be given a color of, my lord, animosity against each other.
So who else can it be given against?
That too, my lord. I can understand, my lord, the husband and wife were so estranged, falling apart, my lord, so dangerously that a bouquet of cases come in. 1 DP Act, 1 divorce petition, 1 498A, my lord, this is not such a situation. She dies, my lord, in column number 17, my lord, only thing what is said, ಮದುವೆಯ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ಆರೋಪಿಯು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮದುವೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಈ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಪಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಗೀತಾರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಜಗಳವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಆರೋಪಿಯ ಪತ್ನಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸುಮಾರು 11 ಗಂಟೆಯ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗೀತಾರನ್ನು ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊರಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾರಣಗಳಿಂದ ಮನನೊಂದು my lord, mananondu can never be, my lord, an allegation against, my lord, the husband. As for 306. By facts, my lord, this case, my lord, traces to David D'Souza. Where, my lord said, I can understand, my lord, if there is anything enigmatic, as my lord, employed.
Human mind is an enigma.
That punching words, my lord, which is being celebrated by the bar in many of our draftings. I can understand, my lord, if there is any such enigmatic my lord, intentions, animosity, you will satodre nanigeno labha agutte. There is nothing like that in this case. Inviting 306, my lord, could be, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Illa.
ಇಲ್ವಾ?
I am also mourning the death of my wife.
How long, sir? This is 2023. Still mourning.
In fact, my lord,
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಮೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
For some reasons, my lord, the sub registrar says it's like, my lord, I am not buying her a chocolate. She gets, my lord, sulkiness, my lord. And kindly see, my lord, she has always been in the habit of nan satogtini. And she would even send me on WhatsApp, my lord, I have appended that pictures. Nodu ee ತರ ಗಂಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕ ಇದು ನೇಣು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ she used to, my lord, joke around. That's the charge sheet material. In the charge sheet, the police would...
No, don't joke around. You lost a life.
In fact, yes. My lord, I was not joking around. She used to send me, my lord, who would take it seriously? Every time I'd say, I will die today. I'll do this. If you don't come early home, I'll pierce myself. My lord, this is, my lord, something like this, my lord, takes the next level. My lord, husband cannot be held guilty for, my lord, 306.
I ask again, who else?
Could be, my lord, as your lordships rightly said. My lord, it's enigmatic.
No.
My lord, how a man's mind could be enigmatic. A lady's mind, my lord, is 10 times more enigmatic, my lord, than a man. In fact, my lord, men are never enigmatic as such. I think Jagdish would concur with me.
They are only pragmatic, not enigmatic.
That's a sexist remark.
That's not correct, sir.
Depression allidru ant heli bala
no statements about man or a woman here.
I'm sorry.
They are equal, yes.
Your lordship may see the WhatsApp messages which they have attached along with the petition. He appears, my lord, he used to lock her inside the house and then go. She pleaded him, asking to come and open the door.
Could that be a reason for 306?
That's where human mind is an enigma. You don't know what propels commission of suicide. It may be in the spur of the moment. It may be factors that are lying dormant and burst like a volcano.
I understand.
Anything can happen.
I understand that, my lord. How careful, my lord. Husbands, my lord, will not be the keepers of a glass jars, my lord. Every time, my lord, should I think, what if I say this, she might come? We are not keepers of crystal jars. We, my lord, treat them as wives. At the end of the day, my lord, if every small thing, my lord, if has to give me,
so you don't
put me on a caution.
You don't keep as a glass jar. You sit inside it. That's the whole problem.
If every, my lord, moments of my life with my wife has to be so, my lord, cautious, careful. If I say this, what if she does? My lord, that's what is happening these days. My lord, the institution of marriage, my lord, is getting weakened because of all these things. What if I say, what will happen? Now, my lord, Jagdish is saying because there is a WhatsApp message, there is some WhatsApp conversation, something which happened several days and months ago, my lord, is now being tagged to attach animosity. The two, my lord, abetment.
No, not some.
Why would I enjoy, my lord?
Immediate.
What's your name?
Kindly, my lord, see page number 105, my lord.
Gagan.
Gagan.
Whose chat is this then?
ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಈ ತರ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Yes, tell me.
Kindly, my lord, have page number 105, my lord. I'll show this and my lord, I'll leave it to your lord's discretion. My lord, there was such an incident on an earlier occasion. She would, my lord, give. My lord, I am not using it against, my lord, the departed soul. I am housewife, married 4 months ago. Husband was a software engineer. I was suffering from sleeping issue and anxiety issue, and I had also taken medicines in.
Death note ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, death note ಇಲ್ಲ. Previous history.
but there are
Previous history.
witnesses speaks
Witness of what?
their neighbors also speaks about their constant fight. CW5 my lord at page 90.
How long were you married?
My lord, we were married 1 year. Why would I have, my lord, any intentions of seeing my wife dead?
No, that may have happened. That's a different thing. It's not that
If there is
no, if
anything,
you had any intention, it would have become murder.
how?
So
Alla, if
it is not that.
witnesses also, they don't talk anything, my lord, anyway, small, with regular fights between the husband and wife cannot be given a color of, my lord, leading someone to commit suicide.
No,
What happens, my lord, generally, it so happens, once the person is no more there, everyone, my lord, would give such statements, idagittu, adagittu, idagittu.
Like how you are doing on the wife.
My lord, with great respect to the departed soul, but certainly, my lord, my lord, I'm not trying to, my lord, downsize anybody's affections, anybody's, my lord, emotions and feelings, but certainly not a case of 306. My lord.
WhatsApp communication speaks something else. He locked her inside, did not open the door. He asked her to come. She asked him to come and open
No,
the
the voluntary statement says otherwise.
There, all the voluntary statement, my lord, is there in the WhatsApp communication.
Yeah, whose voluntary statement?
My voluntary statement, which is made a part of the charge sheet, though it cannot be
Your
used for any
voluntary
other
statement.
purposes.
Your voluntary statement.
My voluntary statement, which is made a part of the, of course,
All
which
right.
cannot be used, which cannot be looked into
How
for
can
any
it,
other
how can it be
purposes.
used in your favor?
Yes, my lord. And
Yes.
the reason why I am saying, my lord, voluntary statements are those which have never been voluntary. It is, my lord, generally the investigator writes something which, my lord, it's called a voluntary statement. If there were to be something like this, the voluntary statement could have had something better.
Charge sheet ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಾ.
ಇದೆ.
No, but there are statement with page number 86, my lord, one of the witness.
Yes, Jagdish.
The witness, my lord, speaks completely.
Page 86 ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ?
Page 86, my lord, one of the witness.
One moment.
Srimati Renuka.
Heard the learned senior counsel M.S. Shamsundar appearing for the petitioner and the learned additional SPP. List the matter on 21st September. Will dictate on that.
So
So
great.
further hearing.
So great.